After 50, you can walk every single day and still lose strength. This is the part that most women don't realize. You know, walking protects your body, but if it's the only thing you're doing, muscle will still decline. And muscle loss after 50, it really does change your future. So let me explain why. You know, maybe you are consistent. Maybe you are walking regularly and you feel proud of that. I remember being proud when I began too. But you know, stairs feel a little bit harder. Getting off the floor, it feels slower. Balance feels slightly less steady. You tell yourself it's just aging, but you feel the shift and you're not imagining it. You know, lower body muscle declines faster after 50, and it happens quietly. Hi, I'm Wendy. I help women over 50 rebuild strength, confidence, vitality, and independence in a way that fits real life. You know, after 50, strength is not about shrinking. It really is about staying capable. And here's the thing. Muscle declines with aging. Inactivity accelerates that. You know, when I started walking consistently in 2017, it really did change my life. It helped me drop my weight. It helped me clear stress. It helped me rebuild discipline. And, you know, I realized something very important in that. Walking helped me move. It did not fully rebuild my strength. That required intention. And once I added simple resistance work, everything shifted. My confidence improved. My posture improved. My energy improved. And most importantly, my strength improved. You know, and that was the difference between maintaining and building. So maybe you're thinking, I want to start and I want something simple. So stay with me. You know, I created something for that and I will share that at the end. So stay with me here. And here's the thing. Muscle declines with age and activity accelerates it. And the first place we see it is in the legs. And when leg strength weakens, balance weakens, confidence weakens, independence weakens. And this is the part most women miss. Walking is not just cardio, it's a low-level strength training maintenance program. But maintaining is not the same as building. So stay with me, because maintenance slows decline. There's no question about that. But building reverses it. And so here's the thing with walking. It improves your circulation. It keeps your joints mobile. It maintains movement patterns. It engages the lower body lightly. And strength training, well, that adds resistance. And that stimulates muscle growth. It supports bone density, and it protects long-term independence. And independence is what we're all looking for, right? Walking supports the system. Strength training builds the system. And after 50, you need both. So here's your simple formula. You will want to walk most days. Strength train 1 to 2 days per week. Now focus on your legs, chair squats, step ups, glute bridges. Add protein at each meal. Protect your sleep. Lower stress where you can. You don't need intensity. You need consistency. And that's enough to change your trajectory. So there are two paths for you. One where you walk and you gradually weaken. The other path is one where you build strength and you walk year after year. At 70 and beyond, that difference will feel dramatic. So walking keeps you moving, and strength, that keeps you powerful. So if this resonated with you, I've created something simple to help you begin. And that's my 10-minute confidence habit. Now you can get that by simply signing up for my fitness and longevity newsletter. And it's a gentle way to rebuild trust in your body, one small step at a time. Now my private fitness and longevity newsletter, that comes out every Monday. And I send that out to my private email list with practical strategies to help you stay strong and independent after 50. The link is in the description to this video. So you want to start small. You want to stay consistent. Move more, move well, and move often. I'm Wendy, wendybottrell.com. Thanks for being here.